हाय गाइस, सो ये मेरी एवरीडे नेचुरल मेकअप रूटीन है। जिन लोगों की ऑयली टू कॉम्बो या एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है, इट्स वेरी इम्परफेक्ट एंड इट्स वेरी मेसी, सो डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ स्किल फ्रॉम मी. And so I start with prepping my face with either an essence or a gel based moisturizer, because अगर आपकी oily skin है, you do not want to put a moisturizer or a cream. So I basically start with color correcting my dark circles, and I'm using this golden rose color corrector, and as you can see it's very peach. और अगर आप peach और salmon color corrector यूज़ करेंगे and if you put it on your face and it looks almost good enough to be used on its own, तब आपको पता लग जाएगा कि ये this is the right shade for you. So I'll list all the products in the description below, but this is something that has been really working for me, and I do not need to put on more layers after this of concealer or foundation, because ये in and of itself बहुत अच्छी coverage देता है. Then I go on with this golden rose mineral foundations. It has a very light coverage and you just need a little bit, because the everyday look is, so you don't need a lot of coverage as well. So I'm just going to put this on in light layers and buff it with a brush. So I just want to talk a little bit more about prepping your face, बिकॉज़ जिन लोगों की ऑयली स्किन है उनको ऑयल की नहीं ज़्यादा हाइड्रेशन की ज़रूरत होती जब वो अपना मेकअप कर रहे होते हैं, बिकॉज़ अगर आप क्रीम या लोशन लगाएंगे उनमें ऑलरेडी एक ऑयल फेस होती है, तो फाउंडेशन में भी ऑयल होता है. सो ऑयल ऑन ऑयल इज़ जस्ट गोइंग टू मेक यू मोर ऑयली थ्रू आउट द डे. सो मेक श्योर कि अगर आपकी ऑयली एक्ने प्रोन स्किन है, गो विद अ जेल बेस्ड और अ वाटरी सीरम, समथिंग हाइड्रेटिंग. So then I do my eyebrows, and my eyebrows are basically horrible. They're not sisters, they're not twins, so you just don't need to see them on camera. So just do what you do with your eyebrows. So I go in with the tinted blush. I love the Benetint and this golden rose one as well. This one is it's my most natural color, so I'm going with this one right now, but I use the orange one as well. I really like this one, and I apply it on the top of my cheeks, because if you want to give your skin a lifted look, अगर आपने अपनी देनी है फेस को, तो just apply it just on the very tops of your cheekbones and just buff it out. And I also apply it just a little bit on my nose to sort of give it that sun-kissed look. Then I go in with my mascara. I'm using the Benefit False Lash Effect wala, and I am kind of in a love-hate relationship with this mascara, because it definitely gives the false eye effect, but it can get really clumpy very easily. तो आपको make sure करना पड़ता है कि आप ये ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हैं, and you have to stop at the right time. And so now I'm just going to use a little bit powder. I mean, I know I said कि no powder है, but just a little bit of very very finely milled powder just under the eyes. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं आपने लगाना. I'm using the one by Makeup Forever, and I would not even call this a powder because it's so finely milled. It's translucent powder, और इसको just थोड़ा आप लगाएंगे, just थोड़े टाइम के लिए sort of bake हो जाए ताकि आप इसके. So now I'm going with this purplish lip liner from Essence. I'm lining the parts of my face जो कि थोड़ी naturally pigmented है, और ये color is the most closest to my natural lip color as well, so I love it. And then I'm going to go with lip balms. I love using the one by Innisfree, the cherry shade, and the berry sherbet from Baby Lips. Both are actually great. Go for a color that is the most natural to your the most closest to your natural lip shade. So in the next step we're just gonna sort of जो थोड़ा हमारा पेक हो रहा था, हम लोगों ने उसको buff out करना है. And this is again mostly it's just no powder, because I haven't used powder for the rest of my face, but just जो under eye में हम लोगों ने अपना वो color correction की थी, just to keep that हम लोग वो रखेंगे. And so now you can just leave it like this. But if you want to go further, आप highlighter या काजल भी add कर सकते हैं. I'm just gonna add the highlighter from this balm palette that I have, and I'm just gonna use my fingers to sort of highlight the places of my face that are naturally going to catch the light. I'm not doing a good job of it, but I hope you know your face well. जहाँ पे भी naturally आपके face पे light catch करती है, just put a little bit of. You can also use a liquid highlighter if you have. I'm just putting it between my nose and on the arch of my nose, and just in my inner corners. And then I'm obviously not a liner girl at all because मुझे liner बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगाता. So obviously I'm a kajal person. So you can use the Golden Rose one, or you can use the this is the one by Urban Decay, their perversion. कोई भी आप काजल यूज़ कर सकते हैं because at the end of the day वो फैलना ही होता है. So yeah, this is my natural everyday makeup routine that I do. I don't like to wear a lot of makeup. I don't have a lot of skill, but this is something that really works for me, and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.